At the micromobility event in San Francisco this past summer, I came across Peak Design's stand. I did not know they're making phone covers and mounts for e-bikes.
So the fabric is a fabric that we specially designed. It matches a lot of the other products in our line, from our backpack, pouches, and everything like that. Super thin, very low profile, and the real magic is in this Slim Link mounting system right here. So that little square is your entire mounting system.
In my previous videos you have seen I'm using quad-lock system and I'm pretty happy with it. Their mounts are high quality, proved to be super reliable product. I have Samsung S21 and S22 Ultra, big, very expensive phones, heavy, and I'm using them to test top speed and range on all electric vehicles we're reviewing on this channel. And the phone case and the mount has to be reliable, has to withstand high speeds without falling. These phones are pretty expensive and the mounts has to be top-notch, also has to be easy to use and appealing as design.
There's no twisting to put on or anything like that. It basically just finds its location, snaps into place, and then isn't coming off unless I want it to.
After the event in San Francisco, I tried Peak Design bike mount and the wallet for several weeks, and these two items are even higher quality and more sophisticated design, but so easy to use and adds more utility, and this made me get the entire mobile mounting system from Peak Design. And of course, when I stumble on super cool items, I want to share with you my experience. Let's unbox the entire mobile Peak Design lineup and compare it to quad-lock. What we have here inside? Look at this thing. Mobile tripod for the phone. I've seen this in person on the event and it's fantastic. The phone mount for the bike or for the, anything like scooter, motorcycle. Wireless charging stand. This is quite heavy. The creator kit, so this should be exciting. This is what most of you will probably use if you make videos with your cell phone. This will be very helpful. Slim wallet, I actually need a new wallet. And the wall mount. So I never heard or seen anything like this. So let's open this, all these boxes out, right? And let's see every single product. All right, let's take the slim wallet first. Look at this, wow. This is so cool. And this should attach to the phone. The package is actually pretty awesome. I think it's too much paper for that. I used this wallet for about 4 weeks and it's super convenient. Very thin, very compact, and it's so easy to operate. Just push it back in. Has this double-sided magnet, flips on both sides. And I can fit here 7 to 8 cards, and I don't carry too much cash with me. Several folded bills will fit here, no problem. And convenience is the key here. It has this fabric that's matching their backpacks, and the back case of my phone feels very special and looks durable. And the more I carry, the flatness it gets on the sides and looks better. And clips here on the phone, and it doesn't come out. The magnet is super strong, and the levels by itself adjusts and it stays there. And now I don't lose my wallet anymore. And when I come home, I just throw it to the fridge and it's right there, and I don't ever have to look for it. Have the same instructions that we had on all other products with scan, a few directions. Look how compact this is, and this will hold your wallet, and it's quite strong actually. The magnet is so small but it's so strong, and this has double-sided tape so you can mount this pretty much anywhere. And this goes on your phone, and you can clip your phone anywhere you like. So this can go also in your car. You don't have the angle to swivel and adjust the visibility of the screen, right? But on the wall, let's say if you have a garage, a place that you like to place your phone so you can easily find it, and let's say if you want to watch or listen to radio, this will be very useful to have. The wall mount, so thin, and you can attach to any surface, especially metal. It does not need the double-sided sticky tape, and it will hold your phone for you. Front handlebar bicycle mount, and I want to tell you why this is the best mount to have for your bike. First, slim design, CNC machined. Look how thin it is, and this is as strong, if not stronger, than the quad lock. So you have all aluminum parts. Quad lock has plastic, so that will last you multiple years, but if you twist it, it has wear. This is all CNC, and this is all big magnet, so it's gonna hold, it will be secure. To remove it, you just press one of these buttons. It's so strong, you can lift your entire bike and this will not release your phone or the mount. So it comes like this. The mount, it's inside. I already took it out, and you have a bunch of fittings, Allen wrench tool, some brochures about the product, and various stuffs. And what's cool about this mount, that you can add this hardware piece, and you can connect your cameras, and you can record your rides. And it's very slick, slim, light, compact. You don't have to twist, and just clips on this magnet, and to release, just press this button, and there's no wear, and it will never come out unless you press this button. And you can add a flashlight, you can add external computers or 360 cameras and record your ride. So it has various position. The next two items are really cool: creator kit and mobile tripod. Brochure with information. Look at this thing. Let's see what else we have here. And we have a small pouch. Yeah, I like this package so much more. It's so slim, so compact. There's not much waste here, and look how small it is and how thin it is. I love these little things. If you're a video creator, like to take pictures, do a lot of work on the phone, video calls, conference calls, read or just watch TV and videos on YouTube, then this compact tripod is what you need. It offers so much more in a very compact form factor, light and so versatile. I always have this tripod in my pocket. Clips on the back of your phone, you don't even notice it's there. Ball head that you adjust 360 degrees, and you can flip it any direction you like. And very useful for taking pictures and videos. You just clip the phone and it self-aligns and it self-connects. The magnet, it has precision and it's amazing movement. And you can also put in landscape if you like to. So if you're reading a book, if you want to watch a video, if you like to record, this mount, it's must own. It is so compact, so comfortable, so easy to use, and you have adjustability, and it just folds like that, and you put it back in your phone and you don't even feel it is there. Anytime you need it, just access it, and you can use as a stand. Also click it back in and you're good to go. Here we have a tool. Let's say if you want to tighten or loosen up, this ball head goes on the side and you can do so. I'm not sure if you can see the set screw right there, but this tool fits perfectly and you can adjust. And the same with the legs, and when you're done, just place it back and it's right there, it will not fall. Super convenient, light, slim, and this aluminum, it's anodized. The edges are very round, very nice to touch, and it is a high quality product. Will last a very long time. And here we have this rubber finish, and you have the magnet behind. Beautiful design. This bicycle mount, it is awesome. It has a dampener, so it moves when you hit holes and potholes. And what's cool about this, it will fit on any handlebar. Actually can use this on a motorcycle also. They have a motorcycle model, but this thing can work on a fast scooter and also a motorcycle. Let me show you guys how easy it is to take it out. You just press one of the buttons on the bottom and just pull it out and it comes out. Let me show you guys the dampener, how well it works, and you will not lose your phone. It's so reliable. And this thing, this tripod mount, it's even cooler. Look at this, just clicked and it's there. I don't have to do anything, and to pull it out, you just press here the button and just, whoop. And this key is actually pretty good. It saves your phone, protects. I dropped this phone so many times and nothing actually happened. And I'm holding the camera, so it's with one hand it's kind of uncomfortable. But look at this, clicks in, and you have adjustability. You can, you know, put it any angle, twist it, and taking this out, you just press one of the buttons, right, and just pull it out and it comes out. And once it's there, it doesn't come out. You can hear the click, and you can put landscape. And what is cool here, you don't have to even look at this, right? I just get the phone, just put it over, and clicks by itself. So much adjustability, and you can get one of those aftermarket hooks to put your microphone. And this is, you know, everyday carry tripod. And look how small it is. You just close this, and it is so compact, and it goes on any, you know, tripod and stick. I use this for channel, and it's easy to carry it, useful, compact, and so light. And you just place it in your backpack. You don't even notice it is there, and you can use it for so many different purposes. The bicycle mount actually swivels left and right, so it has this precise click movement, which is pretty cool. Universal bar mount, right? It has this rubber thing that goes around, so you snap it here, and then you have the safety that goes all the way around, and you clip it like that, so it doesn't go anywhere, and it's super secure. And we have the same magnetic mechanism, and it's a very precise movement, and you can adjust it any position you want, and it doesn't wiggle left and right. It's super sturdy. I like that. And this will work on any bike, electric bike, scooter, and it's so easy to mount and dismount. This mechanism is actually pretty cool, and I like the double safety. And this will go on your tripod and various other places that has this tubular shape, will allow you to mount it very easily. And this thing is long enough to clip on the wider bars. The feel of the products and of the case is just insanely nice. Like, I don't know what kind of fabric this is, but it's durable and so nice to touch. Guys, I'm downtown Manhattan, 241 Lafayette, and they officially opened, and this is the biggest store they have, the most advanced one, it says on the website, so let's check it out. Guys, so this is the store, and this is the biggest store from all three. There's one in Japan, which is 20% of this size. There's one in San Francisco, and this is the third one, the biggest one. And I've been using the products for about a week, and this is what I have always with me. I have this dampener on this side, and it's actually embedded into the mount. And you have a second option mount here. You can wiggle it left, up, and right, and adjust the angle that you want for your motorcycle. But you get the idea how it works. Impressive collection of products, highest quality, but the most importantly, no need to twist or to find the mount and connect your phone or camera. So much easier to use than quad lock, lifetime warranty, carbon neutral, makes your work and life so much easier. I will place the links of the products I use down below. Check them out, let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you tomorrow.